This is a Groovy Space, and today we are in North Geelong, Victoria 3215. To be exact, this is in Bell Park in North Geelong, Victoria 3215. We got a ground floor unit. This is the driveway, you park there, and the unit for auction, a storage, abandoned storage unit for auction is just here. Just about 3 units away, about 20 steps to this unit from where you park the car. The size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 6 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Excuse me. Follow me, I'm going to show you some of the goods in this unit. It's quite messy, especially at the back there. Okay, better idea, the end of corridor. Okay, there is a small fridge here. It's a Samsung, a couch. I got my lights ready to. Bedside table, green couch, entrance table, looks like a bit of a French provisional type mattress here. It's the TV cabinet here. It's a very, appear to be okay mattress. From this part here I can see this one is not so good. Some sort of a cabinet here. It's quite a bit of chip. Okay, let's go in a bit. We got a green couch, 2 chair, entrance table. I think that must be the ottoman there. Another 2 of this chair, this brown one. Got looks like an outdoor table, which is a glass table. The glass is here. There is a TV. Looks like it's from what I saw by the side, it's a Philips TV. I think it's a 42-inch. You got mirror. Look at the chip carefully. Outdoor metal chair, bedside table, or could be office one. Let me try to show you the back. Now in the corner there you can see a Fisher and Paykel washing machine, top loader. I believe that's a sewing machine. I believe that's what it is. It's quite messy in the back. I think in the corner there, looks like it's either a bar fridge. Once again, this is in Bell Park, in North Geelong, Victoria 3215. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit, and once you empty the unit, we refund you back the $250 cash only deposit. Nothing is tested, so there's no warranty or guarantee on any of the goods here. You got five days to remove the goods from the end of the auction, 5 working days. Once again, this is in North Geelong, Bell Park, Victoria 3215. Thank you for watching.